Hi, I am Anant Shankar and I am here to bring you something unique and unusual called the Indian Jungle Book. The Indian Jungle Book started out from an observation that the concrete jungle is meeting the real one. In other words, there is hardly any jungle left because the concrete jungle is taking the real one away. Now, I live in India, and in India this situation is far more antagonistic than you would imagine. The animals and birds are not having too much of a good time, and the inner wild side is being exchanged for people running the rat race. In short, we have begun to differentiate between human beings and the wildlife out there. But I believe that every human being has got a wild side to them. And this wild side to them comes out from the phrases that you use. Hungry enough to eat a horse, sleepless like an owl, 9 lives like a cat, working like a dog, running the rat race. There are so many examples of how actually there is a wild side to you. Now, if the wild side to you starts coming out, would you not care for animals and birds a little bit more? So the Indian Jungle Book aims to do exactly this. It aims to bring out your inner wilderness, a little bit of fun and masti in English, and shot with basic gadgets, because the entire idea is not to be able to create a fantastic film as much as the sense of there being a fantastic inner you. So join me on this journey of the Indian Jungle Book. So I am here at one of the biggest examples of concrete jungle in South Bangalore, outside the Meenakshi Mall. Noisy as hell and big buildings. So the jungle is at its peak here, and I am with none other than the bluest example I can find today, Imran. Imran gave me a handshake the last time. We actually recorded once before, but the recording got cancelled. We're doing it again. He's not low on energy. Actually, he's feeling wild inside. He's already done something wild. So the entire concept is that, Imran is also one of the many species roaming around here who looks human, but on the inside has got a little bit of wilderness. The real jungle is within him. And when I asked him to draw one wild line, which is the theme of creating the Indian Jungle Book, then the line that he made is this one. The line that he made is this one. So, would you like to tell us something about this line? ये इतना मतलब curvy क्यों है? ये आपके सपने में इतना पेट पिछवाड़ा ऐसा निकल आएगा कि what is the reason it's curvy? या ऐसा लगा आपको अभी? मूड ऐसा है जैसे मतलब नूडल खाया था तो नूडल निकल आया अभी. Very good. Now we will take this one inspiration that he has given us to create the Indian Jungle Book and convert that into something, and you will see how. So thing is that now Imran has said that he wants to be a tiger or draw a tiger. I don't know. I could have always solved this by just giving him a tiger biscuit, but except that he wants to see a tiger, and we are creating the Indian Jungle Book. Yeah. So how the tiger will happen when he's drawn a snake-like line, that is what you're going to see right now. Zoom in. अभी ये इस तरह का line होगा. When tiger gets angry, the tail starts moving like a cat. You remember?
Yes.
What cat does? ये tiger निकल आया. How do you like that?
It's superb.
This is my sign, and now this
It's awesome.
is the tiger. What do you feel, Imran, about this?
It's very good, sir. It's look very mind blowing. I didn't thought in a line it will get a tiger finish or it's a tiger image.
Nobody will think looking at you and how simple and sweet you look, there's a tiger inside. Next episode we will take out the clothes and check if you have these kind of markings. Today we'll let you go with your shirt and pant. But please Imran, please put also your signature because you started it.
Yeah.
तो मतलब लेफ्ट साइड, क्योंकि मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड से बनाया, मैंने राइट में साइन किया, क्योंकि आपने राइट से बनाया, आप लेफ्ट में साइन करो. And that is the joint jugalbandi of creating the Indian Jungle Book with Imran and me. Over and out. So that, my friends, was my session with Imran. Abhi Imran Khan ka to pata nahi. This Imran was a lot of fun. And he was very game in making that tiger, which of course he never looked like. But you can't imagine what people say that they feel they are within. And ये टाइगर तो बन गया. अभी उसके आगे आप क्या बनोगे? बकरा बनोगे, उल्लू बनोगे. This you will know if you meet up with me. I am traveling around town on a cycle. Could be in a town that you are in, or definitely in Bangalore. So go a little slow. Don't ride on the footpath. Look out for people like me, and I'd be happy to entertain you, to bring out your inner wild side, and make you a part of creating a page in the Indian Jungle Book. अभी आप ये नहीं हो, अभी से जब तक मैं आप तक मिलो नहीं, तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो वेयर डू यू थिंक यू आर, एंड इफ यू लाइक मी टू विजिट अ सर्टेन प्लेस, अपार्ट फ्रॉम विच लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, बिकॉज विदाउट सब्सक्रिप्शन you will not know when I meet the next person and when the next page of the Indian Jungle Book starts getting built. Above all, remember, the Indian Jungle Book involves you, so it is time that you remember that more than being a human being, it is important that you are a humane being. On that note, over and out, take care of the Indian forest, take care of yourself, take care of life, and enjoy it to the fullest. रुको रुको, अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, छोटा सा चुटकुला बाकी है. Tell me something, is this man inside the auto or outside the auto?